You would usually seek the advice of any professional, such as a lawyer, doctor, or accountant, when you need the services and expertise that only a trained professional can provide. In some ways, your legal needs are similar to your medical needs. There are times when you can take care of small ailments with over-the-counter medicines and home remedies, but there are other times when you need the skills of a surgeon or other specialist to help you with your problem. The law works much the same way. For example, you'll need a lawyer if you want to sue someone, or if someone sues you, if you're signing an important contract, or if you're facing criminal charges. The legal documents provided here can be a useful starting point before consulting with a lawyer. Plus, once you've completed your document, you can easily share it with a lawyer for a legal review. Just click Legal Review to get started. Remember, you should see a lawyer any time that you feel unsure of your legal position or have specific legal questions.